you won't see this all the time, but there's a wagon inside a wagon, and I'm gonna put hay in it because I got shit to do. Well, got the disc line hooked up. It's been hibernating in the shed all winter. Grass has been growing really nice. I'll take it out, knock the dust off. Hopefully nothing goes bad. Pull it out and see what happens. That don't sound bad so far. We're in the teens of May. Not quite 20s yet. Pretty close, but here's what we got. I'm not small. Well up to my thigh. Timothy anyway. Orchard grass. Mixed. It grew just phenomenal so far, both fields. Oh, we'll see how it ends up. Man, what a gorgeous day. Well, the battery went dead. Didn't record any more of the mowing, but it went well. The tedding went well. Now I think you can hear the wind blow. What a gorgeous day. So I gotta go get the baler out. Yeah, baler. See how that's gonna work. Alright. Got the first 2 bales out of the baler. The twine was rotten and broke. And now the knots look good, the twine looks good. Kind of shaking the rust off everything. Hopefully that is the only issue. There they are right there. I was able to retie that one. That usually don't happen, but there it is. We'll see what happens. Well, I guess a good thing to have, there's half, 2, and some. Now there's some hay left. And yeah, that wagon's full. So, if you remember, I put one wagon inside the other for storage. The bottom one's 9, the top one's 8. You don't have time for all that. Those up there, yeah, and I gotta. So, you know, you won't see this all the time, but there's a wagon inside a wagon, and I'm gonna put hay in it because I got shit to do.